the hypovalent molecule is the first exception. What is the meaning of hypovalent molecule? Molecule having less than 8 electron in their valence shell still exist and stable also, guys. For example, BeCl2, BeF2, BCl3, AlCl3, and so many. You can take it the example. For example, clarification, I'm just going to explain BCl3, boron trichloride. This boron is having only the 3 valence electron. Here, what is the total number of chlorine, guys? 3 chlorine having the 7 valence electron. Okay, good. Now see, bacha, what do you find? Chlorine wants to maintain the octet, sharing occur. Chlorine also wants to maintain octet. Chlorine also wants to maintain the octet. Now, this boron also want to mention one thing. You have taken my electron, so I have also my task that I will also abstract your electron, the last electron. So they abstract the electron, guys. And what you find? The chlorine maintain their octet. Chlorine maintain their octet. Chlorine maintain their octet. But if I'm talking about the boron, you find there is a single bond, and in the single bond you find the 2 electron. Again you find the 2 electron. Again you find the 2 electron. So boron has only 6 electron in their last cell. Still it is stable. But octet says only one thing. If you have 8 electron in the last cell, then you are like possible. Then you can form the bond. Then you can exist. But there are so many compounds. So these are the various example of hypovalent molecules which not completely fulfill the octet rules. This is the first limitation. Now coming to the second part, guys. In second part, that is all about the hypervalent molecules. So the first question arises in your mind, what is the meaning of hypervalent molecules? Those molecules which has more than 8 electron in their valence shell. For example, take it the example of PCl5. Take it the example of SF6, IF5, IF7, etc. and etc. For example, let's draw the diagram of PCl5. Phosphorus, you find chlorine, you find chlorine, you find chlorine. How the exact structure is going to form, we will discuss in hybridization, that how we can draw the real structure. But here I have not discussed that how you have to draw the real structure. You have to make the Cl in this tilting angle, just make it, no issues. So what happened guys? I have to arrange all the electrons. Chlorine is having the 7 valence electron. Chlorine is having the 7 valence electron. This phosphorus is having the 5 valence electron. So what chlorine want? Chlorine want only one thing, to maintain their octet. So this maintain their octet, this also 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 maintain their octet. Okay, no issue. Now it has been found that chlorine also want to maintain whatever the electrons that the phosphorus has shared, they will also take the sharing electron of chlorine. So once phosphorus take the sharing electron, it has been found that guys, the total number of electron in phosphorus will become equal to 10 valence electron. In chlorine, 8 electron already achieved. Chlorine is obeying the octet rule, but phosphorus is not obeying the octet rule. It means that if in a molecule one part is obeying, other part is not obeying, it means that is not obeying the octet rule. Are you getting my point, student? So these are the concept of octet rule. In a summary, we can say that the octet rule is the primitive rule made by the scientists whose main intention was how the chemical bond formed, only formed by the sharing of electron, and sharing in such a way that they maintain their octet, a duplet as in the case of the hydrogen. But it has been found, different type of molecules has been found that is stable but still not obeying the octet rule. If less than 8 electron, that is called hypovalent. If more than 8 electron, that is called hypervalent molecule. So in this class, that is sufficient for today. So you go through the entire point. In the next class, we will start the valence bond theory, which is far more better theory than that of the octet rule. Thank you so much. You have to focus more in your study. Thank you guys.